Experience precision, performance, and perfection, all in one complete surgical kit designed for professionals who demand excellence. This comprehensive 34-piece set includes everything from bipolar and monopolar cables, claw grasper, Maryland grasper, universal grasper, Babcock grasper, fenestrated and curved scissor, Trocar cannula, 10 mm, Trocar cannula 5 mm, Trocar with cannula 7 mm, reducer metal 10 mm, minus 5 mm, Veress needle 100 mm, 120 mm, 140 mm, available in all size, safety Trocar 10 mm, needle holder, TC, bipolar Maryland grasper, 3-fem prong retractor, Monopolar L hook and aspiration needle, spatula, ring applicator, clip applicator, 10 mm, long rod, claw grasper, 10 mm, spoon forceps 10 mm, suction irrigation cannula, port closure, reducer silicone plastic, silicone washer, 5 mm, 10 mm, Myoma screw 5 mm, Myoma screw 10 mm, knot pusher 5 mm. Any requirements? Connect with us. Choose Incision instruments for unmatched quality, precision, and trusted surgical performance.